Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can drop ship any product on Etsy.com without money. So you have to search on your Google or on browser CJ Dropshipping. This is the site that's dropship the products worldwide. You have to just open it. I am opening it. As you can see, and you have to log into your Etsy also. Then you can see it's provide a large number of products in their site that you can dropship in your account without money. You can see like this, like it's dropship to China, to US, or you can do anywhere. So uh, you have to do first registration. You have to click on authorization. Then you have to sell on Etsy. You have to select like Etsy. Simple here Etsy. You have to log in with the same account that you will that you have login or sign up to your Etsy. I am doing it to my to confirm. As you can see, let's wait. Let's add a store. You can add a no thanks. I mean no thanks. You can add this store by clicking here. Just wait. Let's authorize the store. You can click here. Now you can connect. It's loading. You can connect your store. Yes, here you have to grant access or you can refuse. If you want to read, you can read this. I am just granting the access. You can grant. You can see authorization fail because my account is not verified, but you will when you will do authorization first time, then you have to do all things like I will explain you. My account is not verified now because my ground verification is stuck by Etsy. So let's do. Now I will find the product. Let us find the product. Like my store in my store, my ground verification is not done. So you can just connect your store if your verification is done. To sell on Etsy, you can just what you want to sell. Like I am taking, there are trending products. I can just see. As you can see here, let us choose a nice product that will sell on Etsy. Like you can choose this or this. No, we can select this. No, we can select this. This is looking good. This have videos also. Let us see. This CJ Dropshipping is offering this product price as $1.43 to $5 approx. We can just like here it is written no electromagnetic fold art. We can just like we can search here retro magnetic retromagnetic folding hurt. You can just search if anyone is selling. As we can see, it is selling. First it is showing in rupees. First we have to change this all thing to dollars. To change, you can just click here at the last, and I am selecting USD, then save. As you can see, the prices, see the same product is selling for $24. As you can see, these are $22. This is $13. Same product we are seeing here. See, people are selling, we have to compete them. To compete them, you have to click on this list button, and we click on list button. You have these buttons. You can show your price, a shipping fee. You can just do. I am doing this all, this one piece, two piece silver, this I can add. Let us do silver one. I am not adding all things. We are adding like this margin, the $50, gold $20. No, I'm not adding this. This gold and silver, this both. This looks nice. In my price, let's set as this. Uh, let's do 15. Here we can add. We can do in this also like 15. I'm setting all to $15. You can select your. You can also lower the prices if you select another product, because this product I don't think it will sell properly, because it's like $13 you're offering here and 24 like double to the price here. So let's click to this. Let's see this store. This store has no sales. You can see no sales. You can see this. You can just select the options. You can see like this deliver cost is $10. The store owner is this. Okay. This store have no sales. You can see this. Now it's loading. Let us do this. You can just, after you have set all the prices, all the things, you have to just click on this list now button. First you have to select the store. Actually I have not connected my account. My Etsy account is not connected, as why store name is not coming. Where when you have verified your Etsy store, then it will come. You can see this. You can select this options. The prices will differ from that option. The basic price is $13.60. You can select your price, and you can just, when your Etsy account will be verified, then you can just click on this list now button. Then you can do the listing here. When you will list now here button, like it's not selected because my account is not verified. When you will verify, then just list this product. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.